So hello, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, my fellow creative designers and content creators. Welcome once again to another exciting episode on this channel. And guys, in today's episode, this is what you are going to design. You are going to create this beautiful church flyer. I call it Father's Blessing Church Flyer. Yes, we are going to create this using our smartphone. And yes, we have started already. We are still on it, though the time has elapsed, but I feel like let's learn more. Therefore, let's work on how to create this beautiful church flyer in smartphone Pixellab. So without wasting much time, let me exit everything and then go to the background. I've already worked on the background. Yes, I've already worked on the background. So quickly, I'll go to my resources and then my background. Yes. Then I'll click on OK. Then it's fit in over there nicely. Let me delete this text and then I'll go again to my resources file and then go and pick my logo. Yes, go to the resources and go and pick my logo. I'll click it, then select it nicely, then reduce the size. Yes, reduce the size and then position it and center it this way. Then go to the colors and change the color. Yes, change the color and pick a color like this. So if it's okay, click on here, the layer thumbnail, the layer panel, and then lock it. Perfect. Then we are going to the text. Then add edit text and then write your present. So present, present. So click on it and then change it to caps and then center it this way. Perfect. So change the font. Yes, let me change the font to something like this, which is okay. Then I'll click on it and then lock it. It over there. Yes, and then let me center it again. Yes, quickly let me center it. Perfect. Then it's locked. Perfect. Then what next? We are going to the text side, edit it, and then type the father. Yes, father. Okay, so this is it, father. And then change it to caps and then bring it to the center, scale it up a bit like this, and then go to the text size, the font size, change the font to this font. Is it build title titling BD? Build titling BD. I think it's part of the fonts that I shared with you. So if you don't have it, quickly go and search for it and then download and then install it on your Pixellab. So click on OK. Then we are going to change the color. Perfect. We are going to change the color to color of this. So go to the layer thumbnail and then lock it again. Then copy it and then position it down here. Edit it and then type blessing. Blessing. Perfect. So change it to caps and then that is it. And I think we need to reduce the size a bit. So reduce the size a bit this way. Alright, so still let's see if we can reduce the size from here. Perfect. It's still big a bit. So I think this is awesome. Then we are going to change the color to that of this color. Yes, perfect. It's awesome. Then let's center it. No. If we center it, it's moving outside. So this is okay. Go to the layer thumbnail and lock it again. Yes, go to the layer thumbnail and lock it again. Then I'll still go to my image or go to import image and then go and import a PNG I downloaded. Yes, let me go and download it. Or I'll come here and then come and pick this one. So yes, this paper texture. Then I'll just click on, just put it this way, then click on OK. Then I'll scale the size perfect like this, and then up a bit this way, Make sure I position it at the right place. Then let me change the color. Yes, let me change the color and use this color. Then I'll just go to the layer thumbnail and lock it. Perfect, 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 perfect. It's done. Then again, I'll go to my import and then go and import the image. Sorry. Okay, so the image, I'll just bring it down this way. Perfect. So if you check the colors, I'm using the colors from the image. Yes, I'm using the colors from the image. Yes, so you position it at the center this way, go to your layer thumbnail and then lock it. Guys, always lock it so that it doesn't conflict when you touch on something or when you click on any place. Then edit this one and then type the name. So width. Then I click on OK and then click on OK this way. Sorry, and then bring it to the side. Now with the width, I use a font. Sorry, I use a font which is a taken by Vultures, and I believe we all have that font. Then taken by Vultures, let me go to padding, yes. Then push here to get the full edges of the font, and then I can change the color to that of this color, and then use the position to push it this way. Use the position to push it this way. Then I'll lock it again. And then let me use that one, edit it, and then, sorry, copy it and edit and write the name. Maybe pasta set. Maybe then Kweku Bani. Then click on this and click on caps. Select it. Select that one and then go and change the font to that of either this or no, still let's use this one. Yes, no, we use this font. Yes, we use this font. So reduce the size drastically. Yes, reduce the size drastically. Perfect. And then you can position it here. Yes, just position it here and then change the color. Yes, let's change the color. Sorry, let's change the color to maybe color white. Yes, let's change the color to color white. And then if it's okay, you go there and then you lock it. So then the next is what? The time and date. So perfectly, you can go here and then go and add the time. So maybe we are using, let's say, let's use date first. Maybe we write 10th, maybe January or February dash 2025. So if it's okay for you guys, that is, if it's okay for you, then you do it that way. If it's not okay for you to, guys, you know what to do. Perfect. Then let me change the font. Go to the font and go and change the font. Just use my recent font and then change it to this. Perfect. So and I think I need to change the color. Yes, let me change the color to that of color white so that to be visible. Yes, please, colors is very important when you are designing anything. Yes, colors are very important when you are designing anything. The choice of colors, that will make sure you use a colors that will communicate well. Yes, use a colors that will communicate well. Okay, yes, some colors are conflicting, and then the moment you use them, it doesn't communicate a good message. Yes, it doesn't communicate a good message, or even nobody can even look at it. So make sure you use a nice colors that may attract a vision so that people will always look at your work. Okay, yes, so Still do some adjustment, and let's see. Perfect. And then let me bring it down small. Let me bring it down small. Perfect, 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 perfect. So I can push it this way a bit because the 2025 has entered. Perfect, perfect. Then I'll lock it. Perfect, perfect. So I'll go to the layer thumbnail and go and select this paper cut and then duplicate it and then bring it up here. Yes, duplicate it and bring it up here. Then I'll change the color to color. Let's use any color like white, or yes, let's use color white. Perfect. Or maybe we can still use this yellow color. Yes, so that we match the colors together. And then we lock it. Yes, always lock it so that when you touch something, it doesn't move. Yes, then you add the details such as the location. Yes, you add the locations. So let me go to the resources file and go and add my location. So where is my location? Okay, so this is my location. I'll click it and then reduce the size. Always reduce the size drastically. Perfect, perfect. Then let me center and align this way. I can even center it down and then use the position to move it up this way to the left side, and then move it up again, and then I think you can even move it down this way. And let me see the relative position. Let me reduce the size a bit, and I think 7 is okay. Then let me change the color. Yes, let me change the color to that of this color. Perfect. Then you know what to do. You lock it and then go to the text size and then write the location. Yes, you write the location. So maybe we said ICGC Christ Temple Tema comes 25 Accra. Perfect. So in case this is the location, then you click on OK, and then you know what to do already. You know what to do. Reduce the size. Yes, reduce the size drastically and then position it here. Reduce the size. Maybe you can reduce it to 30. Perfect. Then you go and change the font. You go and change the font to maybe, let's check this if it's okay. Perfect. Guys, it fits perfect. And guys, once again, whenever you are designing, make sure you don't use more than maybe 3 fonts. At least 2 or 3 fonts is okay. Don't exceed more than 3 fonts. So let's change the color. Let's change the color. And looking at the color, if I use white, it will be perfect. Yes, to communicate well. Perfect, perfect. So I'll click it again. I'll go and select that one again, and then let me see if I can close this side a bit. Alignment, let me see if I can close up the alignment a bit. Perfect, 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 perfect. Then maybe a social media handles and the contact details. That is, if you are designing for a client, make sure you use the client information. But for the purpose of this tutorials, I use some social media handles. So let's go and pick them. They are here. I click it and then push this. I want the Facebook, Instagram, and then Snapchat. So that is what I want. So I'll reduce the size drastically and then position it here. Perfect, 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 perfect. Position it here. Then I'll have to go and then write the details. So then copy this one and then edit it. Yes, copy this one and edit it, and then write the social media handles. So maybe Aki-Graphix. So graphics, perfect. So it tells you that this program will be held live on Aki-Graphix on these social media handles. And if you want to add maybe a contact details, kindly do so. But for the purpose of these tutorials, we just want to guide you on to learn how to create this beautiful flyer using your smartphone. So all the information that you may require, then just add them, add them. And when you are done, you know how to save it already. When you are done, you know how to save it. So let me go and show you all the layers. Yes, this is all the layers that was put together to achieve this beautiful flyer. Please subscribe to this channel, like and share. Subscribe to this channel, like and share, and comment again. Guys, I've seen that a lot of you are downloading the video and then watching it separately. Please, if you are of those people, you are not helping the channel to grow, sorry. And all you need to do is at least watch about first 10 or 15 minutes of it before you can download the video and then go and do whatever you want to do with it. But please, yes, as I said, if you are a fan of downloading the video separately and then going to watch it, you are not helping the channel to grow, and thereby maybe YouTube will not consider our channel as one of the important channels so far. But please, we want to make an impact. We want to make an impact. So please help us to make an impact. So guys, I love you. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Practice this and then send it to me on our platform and let's communicate more. I love you again. I'll see you in the next tutorials. Bye for now.